Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Reese number 965C. This is a bristle type door sweep, clear anodized aluminum holder. You can see it's a very large type of bristle. There is a dimensional drawing below this video showing the important dimensional properties. You can see from that drawing that this is 2 3/4 overall height. Okay, a little shy on that, I suppose, but 2 3/4. It's going to have an overall, well, you've got 1.1 worth of holder, I should say. Then you're going to have about 1.5 inches of bristle. Okay. Overall thickness probably about 3/8. Let's take a look. Yeah, indeed, about 3/8 of an inch. The 965C is representative of what this is. This size holder, this length of bristle. The C means that this is in the clear anodized aluminum finish. And this will be available also in the 965C is available in the C for clear anodized, D for dark bronze, and then G for gold. Dark bronze anodized on aluminum, gold anodized on aluminum. Okay, so those three finishes. There is applications for this that are probably a bit less than common, but the length of the bristle allows you to solve problems where you have an unusual sill condition, where you might have a depressed or an irregular sill condition. You might have an undercut on the door that is abnormally high for whatever reason, or any situation where you simply need 1.5 inches worth of bristle or something in that range. Not only longer, but it's certainly a bit denser as well. You can see that the line of the bristle is certainly very generous. Bristle is a very capable sort of seal. If my fingers kind of emulate an irregular floor surface, bristle does a real good job at helping contour itself and seal the bottom of an irregular surface like pitted concrete. Typical application for this sort of sweep is a loading door on a dock, back of a restaurant. Steel door is installed into the brick wall. There's a stoop and it literally drops down one step to an alley. There's no threshold, there's no sill condition, and the outside of the frame and the door, because it's an outswing, basically are flush with that sill condition that goes down right to the alley concrete surface. This is used because it will overlap really nice that entire condition, seal the door, and then also seal the bottom against the face of the concrete stoop as well. Is a application that comes to mind for this. Now this is going to be available in several different lengths in the site. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, or simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back at, if you have a need for a custom length. So you can order it everything from 2 foot to 8 foot, and generally about 6-inch increments. That may not work. You might have a door where you want it to be, you need it to be slightly shorter for some reason. Order that next longest piece. Indicate in the comment field how you'd like for us to ship it for you, and then we will do so. Now the advantage of that is we'll give you that first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, and the proper centers to centers as well. Now slotted holes are nice to have because it will allow you to tailor this on the bottom of the door to account for a sill that's not level, okay, or maybe a jamb that's not plumb, or a door that's got some warp to it, or whatever the condition is. Or also that slotted hole helps compensate for a misdrilled hole. You know, when you're pre-drilling the screw hole, that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces in. That slotted hole will help account for that. Speaking of that slotted hole, screws are included in a complimentary finish. Very nice quality item from Reese. I'm partial to Reese, and frankly I wish I sold a lot more of it, and here's why. Excellent quality products. The dollar spent, the bristle is denser, the aluminum is thicker, the quality of the finish is better. Period. I said it. That's all there is to it. Their customer service, exceptional. Their technical support, you never even need to get to them because customer service has that handled. Reese is a company that I'm going to use when I want to showcase the weather stripping as much as I want to showcase the $2,000 exit device that's on the door. That's serious, and I mean it. They also like to use polyurethane for their door sweeps, an all but indestructible sealing material that's used, and they showcase that as well. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can review not only all the Reese products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog where you can see all things commercial weather stripping from Reese. Not only door sweeps like this, but perimeter gasketing, thresholds, material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, and architectural bronze. You take a look at some of their extrusion thickness and the material. If you took same threshold from 5 different companies and weighed all of them, I bet you that the Reese items are simply going to weigh more. Their extrusions are thicker. If you have any questions on the 965C bristle and aluminum door sweep or any other Reese product, please feel free to reach out to us.